Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. So you all can see I'm wearing a saree in Sonam Kapoor style today. Recently Sonam Kapoor wore a floral saree in the same style and she was looking jaw-drop gorgeous. I'm a big fan of her, so I researched for it and here I come with a tutorial of the saree. So now without wasting much time, let's start with the tutorial.
To wear a double pallu Sonam Kapoor style saree, you need a saree, a dupatta and 3-4 safety pins. So girls, now let's start with the tutorial. I'm starting with wearing my blouse and underskirt. I have tucked in the saree in one full round and now we will take the other end of the saree and start pleating it like this. Make sure your pleats are very narrow and perfect to get that perfect look. Adjust the plaits and then take this from the back and bring it in the front right side like you would drape a Gujarati style saree. And pin the end. Also secure it from your shoulder with the safety pin. Now next take the dupatta and start tucking its one end right where your belly button starts. Drape it around, making sure you're taking it under the pleated pallu because we want the pallu to be on top. Like this. And then tuck this dupatta on the left shoulder like you would drape any saree. And now secure it with the safety pin. Now coming on to the last step, pleat the rest of the saree and tuck it at the center of the belly button. Adjust the pallu on your left shoulder and you are done. Make sure you pin the pallu properly. This style is so contemporary and make you look you are wearing something designer.
So girls, I hope you liked my today's video and if you really like it, please give it a thumbs up and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Namni Sagrika signing off. Bye. Take care. Love you all. I'll keep coming with such videos for you girls and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.